In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Notion. We'll start right from the home page and end with a clean, tappable list you can check off as you go. Open your browser and head to notion.com. On the top right, click Login. For this walkthrough, choose the Google option, then pick your account to continue. Once you're in your workspace, create a fresh spot for the checklist by selecting Add a Page in the sidebar. Give the page a clear title so you can find it later. Checklist works perfectly. Click in the empty area just under the page title. To build the checklist with Notion's database tools, type /database, then select Database, Inline. This places a small database directly on the page, which is ideal for a checklist because each row represents a single task. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your cursor is in the blank area of the page. The / command works wherever you type. Using an inline database keeps everything on one page, so you can view the title and the list together. Now add your tasks. Click New Page inside the database and type a task name. For example, wake up, then press enter. Click New Page again and add shower. Do it once more for breakfast. Keep repeating this same action to capture every task you want on the list. Short, verb first names make items easy to skim. If you make a typo, just click the task name to rename it. Each task can open as its own page, but for a simple checklist, you can stay in the list. Next, add a checkbox you can tick when a task is finished. At the top of the database, click Add Property, choose Checkbox, and then open that new property to edit it. Rename it to Done or Completed so its purpose is unmistakable. You'll see a new Done column appear to the right of your task names. Each checkbox is independent for each row, which makes it perfect for tracking completion without changing the task title. Let's make the list easier to scan. Open the database settings, choose Layout, and switch the view to List. This compresses each row into a simple, one-line entry, exactly what you want for a checklist. Open Settings again, go to Property Visibility, and ensure the Done property is visible so the checkbox shows next to every task. You now have a working checklist. As you work through your tasks, click the box next to any item to mark it done. Add new items anytime using the New button in the database. This setup keeps everything organized on a single page, with a straightforward list you can update in seconds. That's all for this tutorial. Open Notion, follow these steps, and start checking things off today.